Hello, everybody. So, welcome to our first science lesson of this half term, where we are starting a new topic. This topic will actually go into the summer term as well, so it's going to last quite a long time. We are finished with light, so well done for all of you who are sending me over your amazing work in science last half term. I hope you enjoyed that topic. But without further ado, I will reveal our new topic, which is plants. So this half term and into next half term, we are going to be learning all about different types of plants, their functions, their parts, how they survive, going outdoors a lot, looking at lots of plants, dissecting plants, taking them apart, doing lots of things like that to learn about how plants work. Because plants are a big part of our world, aren't they? They're all around us. It's really important that we understand how plants stay alive and what we can do to help the plants around us. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, today, we are not properly launching our topic. I thought since we're in school in 2 weeks anyway, I'd save our official sort of year 3 lessons for when we're in school, because that would make it a little bit easier for us, won't it? If we're all there together and able to do things practically together, and everyone will get a better understanding. But we've still got 2 lessons planned for this week and next week. This week, it's all about you showing me what you already know about plants. Don't worry if it's not much. And then we're going to go outdoors next week and see what we can learn just by observing plants in the wild. And you'll hear more about that next week. So I'll save that for then. So for today, guys, again, it won't. There's not much for me to talk through. Just going straight into today's activity. So I'll move straight into that. So today is all about you telling me what you already know. Your task is to show off everything you know about plants through making a poster or a PowerPoint presentation on a computer. You can include information on the parts of a plant and their jobs. You can tell me about what plants need to survive. You can tell me about what different types of plants you know. And you can also tell me about the difference between edible plants and non-edible plants, so plants that we eat and plants that we don't eat. Now, you can present this work in whichever way you'd like. And it says in that bubble there, don't worry if you don't know too much about plants, because this is the start of our topic and you might not know much. What's important is you get down everything you do know that's related to these 4 topics. So the parts of a plant, I'll give you a hint. It's got the roots at the bottom. What other parts do they have? What do plants need to survive? What different types of plants can you think of? And what sort of type of plants can you think of that we eat and plants that we don't eat? So lots of things to think about. What I'd like you to do is try and present that in any way you want. If you're doing a poster, just a little A4 poster is okay. You could draw a nice picture of a plant and do facts around the outside. You could put it into sections. You could just draw me some pictures of different plants that you know if you're not feeling super confident. If you know the parts of a plant, you could draw me a plant and label it. Loads of things to do. So it's all about you. Show me what you already know so I know where we are when we start our topic. But that is it for today, guys. I'll leave you to... Oh, I just bit my lip. I'll leave you to get on with that. What I'm going to suggest you do is not spend any longer than half an hour on this activity, okay? Because it shouldn't take you too long. It's just a quick recap of what you know with a few pictures thrown in. Right then, guys, without further ado, I'll let you get on with that. And I will see you very shortly for our next lessons. Bye, everybody.